Hey guys, welcome back to Spice Fry. Now as promised during our baba ganoush recipe video, we are back again with another Levantine dish made out of eggplants. So here's presenting Spice Fry's Mutabbal recipe. Let's start with the main ingredient, 2 medium-sized eggplants. As you can see in the video, let's begin by making small incisions in the eggplants. This process helps the eggplants cook faster and better. Now, take your eggplants and microwave them for about 4 minutes on medium heat. Take them out when the skin slightly changes color and gets all wrinkled up, as you can see in the video. Remember the slits we made in the eggplants? It's now time to insert garlic cloves in them to enhance the flavor. 4 to 6 cloves per eggplant should do the trick. The next step is to cook the eggplants on an open flame. If you have a mesh, use it. If not, you can do it directly over the flame. What this step does is cooks the eggplant as well as chars the skin so that it can be easily removed. As you can now see, our eggplants are completely charred from the outside. We're now going to peel off the skin and deseed the insides so that we can collect the flesh and the garlic cloves that we inserted in a different bowl. For the next step, take a blender and transfer the eggplant flesh along with the garlic cloves into it. To this, add the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 2 teaspoons of tahini, and salt to taste. Blend it all together. Add some olive oil and blend it once again. Garnish the mutabbal with a little bit of cumin powder, red chili powder, olives and a whole lot of olive oil. Serve the mutabbal fresh along with warm pita bread. Do check out our recipe for baba ganoush as well. That's another dish made with eggplants, the link to which you will find in the description below. Thanks for watching and we hope you enjoyed this recipe. And now before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and stay tuned for a lot more amazing recipes coming your way.